If you're looking for more privacy or reduced glare in your home, then window film is a great solution. Hi, I'm Lucas, and this is how to apply window film. Let's get into it. To begin, give your windows a thorough clean with window cleaner and a lint-free cloth to get rid of any dirt, dust and grime. This will ensure your film adheres to the glass and doesn't peel. You then want to measure out the dimensions of your window before marking them out on the film. As a safety net, it's a good idea to leave a little bit of overhang of around 25mm that you'll trim off after we apply the film to the window. To cut the window film, use scissors or a utility knife. To adhere the film to the window, lightly spray the window film solution onto the window, then peel the backing off the film. From here, lightly spray both sides of the film as this assists in removing air bubbles and lubricates the film for easy installation. Press the adhesive side onto the window, starting from the top. Smooth it down as you go using your hands, then gently press out any air bubbles and excess solution. Once it's in place, spray more solution and use the squeegee starting from the center to push outwards and remove any remaining air bubbles. When you're happy, we'll be using a utility knife to trim the edges, leaving a 2mm gap to allow the excess solution to escape. Use a squeegee or a cloth to remove the last of the moisture or air bubbles. And there you have it, perfectly applied window film. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.